3, 2, 1, come on in.
When you turn 1,000 people or more loose into a tent to select a bicycle, it can be quite fun but quite chaotic.
I live for this.
People often say that Willie gets stuff done. One of the things that I've gotten done over the last few years is the bicycle swap, something that I'm very proud of. The day of the event can either be rain, snow, sunshine, and utter chaos. Typical Duluth weather, but Duluthians are hardy, they'll dress for it and they'll be ready for it. But it's a Duluth day, it's going to be rain coming sideways. On Earth Day in April of '07, we hosted the first of 14 Continental Ski and Bike swaps. The specific purpose the first time around was to repurpose as many bicycles as we possibly could. We can proudly say that we have repurposed several thousand bicycles, which has raised many thousands of dollars donated to organizations such as the United Way, Animal Allies, Community Action Duluth, the Duluth Development Team, and Chester Bowl, just to name a few. It's a great feeling to see a bicycle leave the lot properly sized and ready to be ridden. I'm a 75-year-old cyclist, have plans of continuing to cycle for the rest of my life, which I hope is going to be quite a few more years. Seeing bicycles resurrected from alleys, garages, and attics and put back on the street and given a second life, that really makes me proud.